So you want to feed the animals, right? You want to feed the animals? You don't give them... Stop giving them fucking pizza! They don't eat that shit! Fucking idiots. Fuck up. You throwing pizza at the monkeys. Throw grapes. Fucking throwing pizza. Fuck you and your wife. I'm not talking to the baby. The baby isn't throwing pizza. It's you who's throwing pizza at a fucking... Okay, you know where I am. What the fuck? Oh my god. Fucking want to throw pizza at it. Stupid fucking animals. Don't even realize. See how they swarm to the grapes? Fuck. Inorganics piss me off. This is what I say, don't feed the animals. You're fucking feeding them poison because you don't even know how to eat yourself. Shit, look at the babies down there. Look at the babies. You throw poison to them. Forgive me, family. Forgive me. Look at this selfish ass monkey. Look at this selfish ass monkey. Scaring them off. One of them is one of them's obviously the fucking leader. These are all my fucking grapes. Let me get some too. Let me get some grapes too. Shit, yeah. He can't defend all the grapes. Look at this selfish little fucker. Look at him. I'm trying to fucking hoard the grapes. No. Just take the whole fucking bag. Just take the whole bag, y'all. You know, it's fucking tough out here, I already know. Y'all rarely get fucking real food. There we go. I think I hit a couple of them with some grapes. They'll be alright. These grapes ain't gonna kill them.